Okay, so I just came up in here to show y'all. This is not a talk through or nothing because it's pretty self-explanatory. I just came up over here to show y'all what you need. Later, you'll need some type of sort of ponytail or hair extension. Of course, your rat tail comb, your detangling brush for your hair, then your like bristle brush for your hair, some freeze spray, which I got a little itty bitty one because I don't use a lot of this stuff. You'll need like some type of stick. This one is from Bedhead. So this is the hair stick. Of course some oil, because you just need to oil your hair, and some got to be gel, and I got some edge control, but I might not even use this, but just in case, you know, whatever you're gonna do your edges with. Scissors just in case you have to cut like the weave or something. Bobby pins, which all came packaged up in here, which I think is really cool. I guess we can unpackage it together, you guys. Your flat irons, these are titanium flat irons from Infinity Pro by Conair. And then your hot comb, you can use a real life hot comb. This is just the plug-in. So let me just show y'all the wig. I got this wig, I mean not the wig, the hair. I got this from Amazon. I'm trying to get the store name. It's not a wig, y'all, it's a ponytail, but it's, look, let me just show y'all. Okay, so this is the actual ponytail, but it comes with bobby pins and scrunchies, which are the two things that you'll need that I didn't have in that list. And this is a 20-inch in the color 2, because I believe my hair is a 2, most for sure. I don't got 1B hair. I wish I did. Yeah, dead on, right? Or is it a little darker? I don't know. But yeah, this, oh, it still got a hairnet on it. Let's move that out the way. So this is the ponytail attachment. It's real cute. Real freaking cute. Is that hair the same color? Y'all tell me, because I don't know. But yeah, it comes with this little pin up thing, and then it's basically like that Velcro strap. You wrap it around, and it comes with hair that you can wrap around it. So I just thought that was real cute and cool, and we gonna see how this get up on my head, because I ain't never did it before, you know. But I flat ironed my hair pretty decent, and I was proud of that. So I'm like, we're gonna turn this into a point.
Alright, you guys, so this is pressed out hair. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair out with a Denman brush. You want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, as well as pressed, especially if you're natural. If you are perm, you probably can get away with not pressing your hair. That is the Sleek It heat protector. I'm gonna spray that all over, and then go in with the Denman brush again and just distribute that all over my hair. Now that is the Organics Biotin Collagen Oil. I'm going to use a 50-cent piece size of oil and start off with my roots, and then brush it all through my hair, ending with my ends. I'm going to take my comb and start parting my edges to get them more straight with the flat irons. So I'm getting real close and, you know, trying to make it real sleek and super straight. And you want to get this really close to your scalp without hurting yourself. So yeah, take some practice. Do you see the difference? Yeah. So y'all, after I did that, when I flat ironed my other side, I'm gonna go prepare my hot comb to get hot. I'm going in with the bed head. I'm just putting that all around my edges and my hair. What this is gonna do is help my hair retain the heat, so I don't have to go through my hair as many times. And it's gonna give me an ultimate shine. You know how your grandma used to grab the pressing oil and then press your hair? So that type of thing. It's also gonna give you less passes, so you won't more than likely damage your hair. But the tip to not burn your damn scalp, girl. So you're gonna grab a piece of your hair, comb through it about 1.5 inches away from your scalp already. And then you're gonna press the rest of the comb, like the layer of the comb, where it's not the actual comb down so it can heat that hair. I hope you understood it, baby. So while pressing the back of my hair, I just put my hair into a easy little ponytail. I don't know where the clip went of me taking out my baby hairs and my side pieces, but you want to do that so you don't mold and have it locked in, because you want full control of your baby hairs and your edges. Now we're going to take that blow dryer and that got to be glue spray and get it popping. So that bristle brush is going to come in handy right here, because you want to just brush all your hair up and make sure it's going the same direction before you start spraying on that got to be glue and putting in your blow dryer, because your blow dryer is going to have it stuck. And you're also going to want to push your hair up with your hand. Your hand is going to be very dirty, sweetheart. I'm just letting you know. And your hand is going to be hot. It's going to be burning. Thank your beautician and these stylists, because they be fucking themselves up for y'all. Like, for real. So for the front of my head, I like to do this little swoop method. I don't know why, it just makes me more comfortable. So I swoop the front of my hair like that. If you want to do straight up, baby. But the swoop gives me peace for some reason. So I'm combing my hair exactly how I want it, spraying that got to be glue on there, and then heating it. Also, you want to be careful because you don't want to comb it when it's already hard, because then they'll make it white. If it does get white, go ahead with that heat, that stick, and it should, you know, give it some oil to break down some of that whiteness, and go back in with the spray and heat it up, baby. Make sure you pulling that hair up and keep it straight. Okay, fucking beach. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I have it all pressed up and in a ponytail, but this is not the final ponytail. I'm just making sure that I have everything sleeked up and looking nice. Now we're going to focus on the top of our head. So we're going to be spraying each round again, but focusing on the top. Do y'all see how sleek that is? Baby, I am natural 4C, 4C, 4B. Baby, and look at that hair. Okay, you can't tell. They ask how I get that. Yeah. Go in with that. Make sure that your ponytail is in the middle of your head. So if it's not in the middle of your head, take it down, do it again. Take it down. I don't care if 11 times. Take it down, do it again. But yeah, we in the hoe. Okay, let me start acting good. Okay, I sometimes I get real happy. I'm gonna bun my hair because my hair is pretty short. If you have thicker, longer hair, I suggest that you braid it and then bun it. But me bunning my hair like this really gave me a top-notch, yeah, edge, baby. Blow dry, make it sleek, make it perfect. Okay, you guys, so I'm just tied that up, put a rubber band around it. Now I'm gonna go in with the edge control. So I did end up using the edge control, and I'm gonna stack that on and just get that edge brush and start laying them. So the thing about this, you have to intertwine. The reason why I use edge control, because you have to intertwine your hair with that molded hair. You have to intertwine them. That's what's going to make your baby hairs look really good. So I'm just showing you up close. This side was not even the best side to be showing you up close. But anywho, pay attention. It's the flick of the wrist, the swoop of the whoop. Like, it's hard. But you can do this, sis. As long as you don't think it's hard. You come up in there like, I got the ball. Like Felicia had the bike. Wait, was that Felicia? That was off Holiday Heart. Bye. You know what's so funny to me, y'all? I always get up on here like super proper in the beginning, trying to be super professional, and then I turn into this at the end. Oh, blow dry it too. Ooh, she being fancy. She blew it. She blew it.
Okay, so this is my song.
Watch it very closely because this is gonna go fast. That's how good and easy this ponytail is. So you take that comb, stick it in, make sure you stick it in comfortably because it will hurt your head and give you a hell of an evening. Then you twist it around, stick it to the elastic. Is it elastic? I think it's called Velcro. Okay, stick it to the Velcro, comb this part out, flat iron it, spray it every time you bring that bitch around with Got To Be glue spray. I'm sorry. Spray it every time you wrap your hair around with Got To Be glue spray and blow dry it. And you will have a successful ponytail. Yeah! We did it! Also, you guys, I want to remind y'all that doing your hair and making sure that it's cute is about manipulation. So manipulate your hair. If your ponytail is not sitting right, play with it until it does sit right. Just don't throw it on there and now you're on the go. I played with it a little bit. It was super easy. The easiest ponytail that I've ever did. Like, I'll buy me another one of these in curly and all the other types of ponytails if they have them available. But comment down below and let me know if y'all want the link, because I'll give it to you, sweetie. But you gotta comment down below, let me know you're watching the song.
I'm sorry. This is the finished result, you guys. I am so excited because anything I put my mind to, I can do, baby girl. Anything. Do y'all see this? Anything. Okay. So I hope I helped y'all out. I'm just gonna go ahead and be extra and just, you know, fire it a little bit, and then I'll come back and let y'all see me work. Let me work. Let me see me work. Let me work.